How to stop spam calls on iPhone. In this video, we're going to see how to stop spam calls on your iPhone using the built-in call screening and filtering features in iOS 26. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS 26 since these features are available in iOS 26. Once your iPhone is updated, go back to Settings and use the search bar to find Phone. Tap Phone to open the phone settings. Now scroll down until you find Screen Unknown Callers. By default, this may be set to Never, which means calls from unsaved numbers will ring normally. Instead, you can select Ask Reason for Calling. With this option enabled, callers who aren't saved in your contacts will be asked to provide their name and reason for calling before your iPhone rings. This is useful because you can see why someone is calling before deciding whether you want to answer. You can also choose Silence if you want stronger protection. This will silence calls from unknown numbers, send them to voicemail, and still display them in your recent calls. You can also go back to Settings, Phone, Call Blocking, and Identification. Depending on your carrier, you may have additional caller identification options that can help identify businesses and suspicious calls. Finally, if a specific number keeps bothering you, go to Blocked Contacts, tap Add Blocked Contact, and select the contact you want to block. However, blocking individual numbers isn't always enough because spam callers can use different numbers each time. That's why using Silence Unknown Callers or Ask Reason for Calling can be a much better way to reduce unwanted calls. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.